Hi, my name is Anna-Sophie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create forms for your website. These forms will enable the users of your website to sign up, update their subscription, or unsubscribe. If you haven't watched the first two videos, I suggest you go and watch them first, as this video is based on the work we created in the previous videos. Let's assume you've done that and go ahead to the Gateway API settings, which is where we start this tutorial. As you can see, I've already entered the open authorization key and secret. To find both of these, go to the Gateway API page and click API keys. These have been automatically created. Copy the key and secret and paste them under Gateway API settings. The next step is called Recaptcha. If you don't already have a Recaptcha, then click here. Recaptcha is Google's way of making sure that you don't get any spam bots. To create one, you need a Google account. You need to press V3 Admin Console. Now, I already have a Recaptcha, but if you haven't created one before, press the plus in the top right corner. I'm going to call it WordPress Sandbox 2. Be sure to click the V2. Then choose which domains you want this to work with and accept the terms. Press Submit, and you should receive a site key and a secret key. It'll take up to half an hour for it to work, so I'm just going to use the one that I've already created. And this is where to find the keys again if you've forgotten them. I'm going to copy the site key and secret key. And press Save Changes. Now both Recaptcha and Gateway are entered. Next, go to Build Shortcode to create forms. As you can see, there are different options in terms of what happens when the form is submitted. User signed up is the one I'm going to focus on right now, but it's also possible to update the information. For our part, there's an option called How many units are sold annually that can be edited. And this option lets you unsubscribe. Send an SMS is a bit more complicated, and I'll get back to that later. First, you enable Recaptcha. It's possible to choose which groups will be affected when using the sign-up form. You can choose multiple by holding down the control button and shift. If I sign up now, I'll become a part of cooking, crafts, and electronics, but not admin or clothing. There's an option down below that lets the user choose their own groups. Another possible option is to choose these categories, but let admin be a private group, so to speak. Now, I'm not clicking Save Changes this time, but instead I'm going to copy this code. This creates a sign-up form. And since I'm done here, I'm moving on to Pages and Add New. If this page doesn't appear, you simply press here and click Code Editor. I'm calling this Sign Up, inserting the code, and then publish. I like to see the new form that was just created. This is the sign-up form where you can enter your name. Choose your country. In this instance, that's Denmark. And lastly, the phone number. How many units does your company sell annually is the custom field. You can add more of these. I'm just going to write 2,000. Select the groups that you're interested in. For me, it's crafts and electronics. Confirm the Recaptcha down below and press Sign Up. A confirmation code will be sent to you via text. Type in the code and confirm. And that's how you create a sign-up form. Returning to Gateway API settings under the Action of Form column, the second option lets you update information. This is the custom field that I mentioned earlier in reference to how many units your company sells annually. Send an SMS gives you the option to send SMS messages. It's a bad idea to enable this on a public website. When filling it out, a warning will pop up down below. It enables any visitor to send SMS messages to the selected groups. This is rarely a good idea. That's it for this part of the tutorial. You can now go ahead and create sign-up forms or update forms. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.